Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a coffee Gaggia. This is a much older version of the Gaggia Classic that you can buy nowadays. This older style has a mushroom valve built inside of the group head, and a few quite different things to the machine. Pretty much it had came in because there was a leaking inside of the steam assembly. As you can see, here's the older steam assembly. Now this steam assembly looks a lot similar, but there is a little bit of a difference. You can kind of see a lot of that scale buildup that I'll talk about in a little bit. Specifically this valve here, which is not on the normal Gaggia Classic machines. So we did replace it with a newer version of that, so we did have to remove one of the hoses, as you can see here. But the machine still works and acts normal. What had originally happened is that it was leaking steam out of the steam wand without the steam wand being open. So you usually have to replace the whole assembly because, as you can see, you can't actually take the steam assembly out. It's stuck in there. So we completely removed it, replaced it. I also descaled the machine a little bit because there was a bunch of scale on the machine. So I did descale both the steam side and the brewing side. And right now we are set to test the machine. It wasn't brought with a portafilter, so we do not have that at the moment. But if I were to run the hot water or the brewing, nice and clean, water comes out, no water coming out of the right side. We're going to turn on the steam function. Now what you're going to find is that mushroom valve in the group head acts as a vacuum release valve. So you're going to see a lot of steam kind of push through the front. That's completely normal. Going to just wait for it to heat up. It's starting to heat up now. You can kind of see it start to build steam. Whenever you see this red light right here, that red light indicates that the heating element's on, depending on whatever operation you're using. This green light tells you when it's all the way up full temperature. So we're just going to wait for that light to go green. But you can see like a vacuum release valve. I was just letting a lot of steam out through the bottom. Now we're ready to go. So you can open the steam wand now. Now, since the Gaggia class, or the coffee and the classic, doesn't have a way to refill the steam thermal block, you are left with a reserve of steam, so at some point it runs out, but we're just going to turn that off. We're going to add some water to it, spin it up, and pull it out. Alrighty. And we're back to normal. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.